I will leave a parts list in the description. I believe this door was installed backwards. I think it was supposed to be a right, and they installed it backwards so it became the left. I drilled and tapped a 1032 screw into the bar.